Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, let me show you how to add a quick lead. Adding a quick lead allows you to quickly add any clients in without you needing full information from them. Meaning to say, if you're on the go or if you're in a hurry, you can easily add them in the software so that you could follow up right after. How to access Add a Quick Lead. You can simply access Add a Quick Lead icon directly from the dashboard. Click on Add a Quick Lead right here. And all you need is the name of the client. Now, it is also a best practice for you to have at least the email along with the name of your client, because the email is a mode of communication in order for you to send them a contract and they can go through the full onboarding process that allows you to collect all the necessary information that you need. So adding a quick lead would allow you to input their first name, last name, their phone number, email, and a quick note. Once you're done adding their information, you can simply click on Create. Once you click on Create, you would have this pop-up asking you if you wish to add the lead to the customer screen. Just click on Yes. As soon as the lead is added in, it would be routed to the current leads under customer screen, filtered already for your leads. It would also have a color indicator letting you know where the lead came from. So this color indicator right here shows you that this is a quick lead, and you'll have the basic information you added, which is the name, email, phone number, and the status of this specific client. Now you can easily follow up with the client, and as soon as you get the client closed, you could move the client on a different status. So that would complete our quick training tutorial on how you can add a quick lead.